This is a guided relaxation. It's about life, it's about imperfection and acceptance. So no matter where you are in this moment, I invite you to look around, to notice some of the beauty around you, and to notice some of the imperfection. I'm sitting in our beautiful, imperfect, and messy garden. And this place reminds me that in life, we can sow the seeds of our intention. We can nurture what we want, and we don't control what grows. We don't control what comes. So life is an invitation. It's an invitation to practice. So let's breathe in this moment, breathing in life in this very moment, and breathing out. Breathing out with a little more ease, breathing out and letting go. Breathing in and receiving life. Breathing in and being with what is. And breathing out, letting go a little more, inviting a little more acceptance, offering a little more acceptance. We can breathe into our hearts what life presents us. We can breathe into any discomfort, any pain or suffering. And we can breathe out a little more peace, a little more ease, a little more compassion. We may breathe in pain and suffering, and we may breathe out peace and presence. So taking this moment to breathe into our gentle hearts and offering thanks to life, offering thanks to ourselves for our presence, for our own compassion, and giving thanks